Graduation day is here.
Today, we just want to say, what do we want to say?
Thank you, principal. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, all my friends. Wishes to you all.